This is the Elite Elegance 58 Series Zigbee Smart Switch. Before installing the switch, turn off the power. Connect the light wire, neutral wire, and live wire in sequence. Install the switch into the back box. After the switch is installed, power on the device. Open the Zigbee gateway in the Smart Life app to add the device. Tap Add Sub-Device to add the sub-device. Long press any button on the switch to put it into pairing mode. Control the light switch via your smartphone. Schedule. The device can be switched on and off at specified time points. Circulate. The device can be turned on, off repeatedly during the set period. Random. The equipment can be turned on and off repeatedly during the set period. Countdown mode. After the countdown ends, the switch will automatically turn on or off. Switch log. You can view the switch's on/off records at any time.